Hello, everyone.
Let me introduce you to the Herin StreamLift TCP Module. This is a compact industrial-grade communication board built to solve one simple problem: how to reliably collect machine data and deliver it exactly where you need it. Let's take a look on the device. Look, we have some pins in here. These pins are first input, positive, negative, ground; second input, positive, negative, and ground, likewise. There are 4 pins. This section of pins used for CAN communication, and the other is used for RS-485. StreamLift reads real-time data over Ethernet using TCP/IP, and based on your project needs, it can instantly send that data through HTTP APIs or via USB CDC, just like a virtual serial port. What makes it powerful is flexibility. We've already implemented RS-485, so it works seamlessly with industrial devices and Modbus systems, and CAN communication is coming next, making this module future-ready without changing hardware. To turn data into decisions, we also provide a customizable dashboard for live monitoring, reports, downloads, and automated email sharing. It's ready to install, easy to deploy. This is Herin StreamLift, simple, scalable, and industrial-ready.